The number of millionaires has doubled in the last 10 years from 25.6 million to roughly 51.5 million millionaires worldwide. However, according to Visual Capitalist, these guys do a phenomenal job. Here's the data that they have. So according to a UBS analysis, a staggering 52.5% of adults have less than $10,000 to their name. Meanwhile, only 1.1% are sitting on wealth exceeding $1 million. What separates them from you? It's not just a lucky break or an Ivy League education. The truth is, most people are sabotaging their own wealth potential without even realizing it. While there's plenty of advice on how to build wealth, it's equally crucial to recognize the obstacles that can hinder financial success. Ready to uncover what's holding you back and how to break through? Today, we'll dive into 13 warning signs that may suggest you're headed in the wrong direction on your journey to financial freedom. Keep an eye out for these red flags. They could be holding you back from achieving the wealth and success you deserve. Here are 13 signs you'll never be a millionaire, and more importantly, how to change course starting today. 1. Victim mentality. Are you sabotaging your own success? If you're constantly blaming the economy, your upbringing, or external circumstances for your lack of progress, it's time for a reality check. Playing the victim robs you of control over your life and finances. Successful people don't make excuses, they make decisions. They take full ownership of their outcomes, learn from failures, and pivot quickly. Fix it. Shift from, "Why is this happening to me?" to, "What can I do to change my situation?" Develop a proactive mindset and take control of your destiny. 2. Risk aversion. Why playing it safe will keep you broke. Wealth building demands taking calculated risks, whether it's investing, starting a business, or seizing new opportunities. Playing it too safe is one of the biggest barriers to creating wealth. Sure, you'll avoid failure, but you'll also miss out on life-changing opportunities. Fix it. Start with small, manageable risks. Consider low-cost investments or side hustles to build your risk tolerance. Remember, no risk, no reward. The more comfortable you get with taking risks, the closer you'll get to your financial goals. 3. Debt traps. The silent killer of your wealth. If you're drowning in debt, you're sabotaging your financial future. Credit card debt, car loans, and lifestyle inflation can trap you in a cycle that makes wealth accumulation almost impossible. Fix it. Live below your means. Create a strict budget, pay off high-interest debt, and resist the urge to finance luxuries you can't afford. Once you're debt-free, focus on saving and investing every extra dollar you can. 4. Unhealthy habits. Your lifestyle may be costing you millions. Poor health isn't just bad for your body, it's bad for your bank account. Whether it's smoking, excessive drinking, or eating junk food, these habits drain your energy, cloud your judgment, and impact your productivity. Successful people prioritize their health because they know that stamina equals success. Fix it. Get your physical and mental health in check. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and adequate sleep will give you the energy and focus you need to stay ahead. 5. Not networking. Are you missing out on million-dollar opportunities? Wealth isn't built in isolation. The most successful people are often the best connected. Expanding your network exposes you to new opportunities, partnerships, and insights you would otherwise miss. Fix it. Actively seek out networking opportunities. Attend industry events, join masterminds, and cultivate relationships with people who inspire and challenge you. Your network is your net worth. Don't overlook it. 6. Lacking a rival. Competition fuels success. Healthy competition is a powerful motivator. Having someone to push you beyond your limits, or a competitor who drives you to be better, can elevate your performance and ambition. Fix it. Find a peer, mentor, or even a competitor who challenges you to be your best. Use their success as motivation to push your limits and exceed your goals. Rivals aren't enemies, they're the fuel to your fire. 7. Pleasing the wrong people. Stop letting others define your success. If you're constantly trying to please everyone, especially those who don't share your vision, you're wasting precious energy. People-pleasing leads to decisions that don't align with your long-term goals. Fix it. Focus on impressing those who matter, mentors, partners, or loved ones who truly support your dreams. Learn to say no to distractions that derail your journey to wealth. 8. Stagnation. Why personal growth is non-negotiable. The world is evolving rapidly, and if you're not growing, you're falling behind. Millionaires and high achievers are lifelong learners. Whether it's mastering new skills or expanding your knowledge, continuous self-improvement is essential. Fix it. Dedicate at least an hour a day to personal development. Read, attend webinars, or take online courses to sharpen your skills. The more you learn, the more you'll earn. 9. A poor relationship with risk. Conquer your fear of uncertainty. Wealth creation involves embracing uncertainty and taking calculated risks. If you're too cautious, opportunities will pass you by. The most successful entrepreneurs and investors thrive by assessing risk, managing it, and using it to their advantage. Fix it. Start with calculated, low-risk opportunities to build your risk tolerance. Learn from every outcome and use those insights to take on bigger challenges. Managing risk is a skill. Master it. 10. Debt dependency. Breaking free from financial chains. Debt is not just a financial issue, it's a mindset issue. The more you rely on credit to fund your lifestyle, the further you drift from financial freedom. Fix it. Create a plan to aggressively pay down debt. Budget wisely, avoid lifestyle inflation, and prioritize savings and investments over short-term gratification. The key to wealth is controlling your expenses, not increasing them. 11. Not taking action. Ideas alone. Don't build wealth. Do you have ideas but never act on them? Ideas are only as good as the action that follows them. Many people have million-dollar ideas but fail to execute them, leaving their dreams unrealized. Fix it. Break down your big ideas into smaller, actionable steps and set a timeline for execution. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time to start is now. 12. Diversifying income. One stream of income won't cut it. Relying solely on a paycheck limits your wealth potential. Multiple streams of income create financial stability and open doors for faster wealth accumulation. Fix it. Explore side businesses, freelance opportunities, or investments like real estate or stocks. Diversification is the cornerstone of wealth. The more streams of income you have, the more resilient your financial future. 13. Clear goals. Without a plan, you're just wishing for wealth. One of the biggest barriers to wealth is not having clear financial goals. Wealthy people don't just hope to become rich, they plan for it. SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, are the roadmap to financial freedom. Fix it. Set specific financial targets and break them down into actionable steps. Whether it's saving for a down payment, growing your investment portfolio, or launching a business, writing down your goals and tracking your progress is essential. The millionaire mindset, shifting from scarcity to abundance. It's not just about cutting back or saving. It's about cultivating a wealth mindset that attracts opportunities. The wealthy think in terms of abundance, constantly seeking growth, learning, and new ways to improve their financial standing. Fix it. Start by shifting your mindset. Focus on creating value, building assets, and seeking out opportunities to grow your wealth. The journey to becoming a millionaire begins in your mind long before it shows up in your bank account. In conclusion, take control of your financial future. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. By overcoming these 13 barriers, you can shift from scarcity to abundance and start building the wealth you deserve. Start today by taking action, diversifying your income, networking with the right people, and adopting a mindset of continuous growth. With the right approach, you can join the 1.1% and achieve financial freedom. Subscribe to this YouTube channel now for more expert insights on mastering your wealth building journey.